Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has defended the government's E20 petrol policy, saying ordinary motorists cannot accurately measure their vehicle's fuel efficiency and should rely on tests conducted by authorized dealers. Speaking in an interview with ABP News, Gadkari was responding to a complaint that a car's mileage had dropped significantly after switching to E20 petrol. He said dashboard readings or personal estimates were not reliable and maintained that only manufacturer authorized equipment could accurately measure mileage. The minister also said there was no scientific evidence to suggest that E20 petrol damages vehicle engines. He added that the fuel was introduced only after extensive testing and consultations with experts, urging people not to rely on claims circulating on social media. The remarks come days after the Petroleum Ministry acknowledged that E20 petrol could reduce fuel economy by 3 to 5% in some vehicles. However, the government argued that mileage was only one aspect and highlighted benefits such as lower emissions and reduced dependence on imported crude oil. The centre made E20 petrol mandatory nationwide from August 1st, though the rollout has triggered concerns among several motorists over declining fuel efficiency. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.